from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
Uncertainty about the future of the planned GreenCity development in northern Henrico. We'll tell you about it in today's Henrico News Minute for Tuesday, March 4th, 2025. We'll have a partly sunny day and a high of 65 today. The News Minute is brought to you by DJ's Auto Details.
And now for the news.
Questions this morning about the future of the planned GreenCity development in northern Henrico at I-95 and Parham Road. The county has issued default notices to GreenCity Partners, LLC, which is the group planning to build the arena and mixed-use portion of the development, according to Richmond BizSense. The website also reports that the developers missed a payment of more than $5 million that was due on Friday to secure the site of the planned 17,000-seat arena and associated commercial development. BizSense also reported that the county sent a non-performance notice to the developers back in December. U.S. Congressman Rob Wittman of the 1st District, which includes the western portion of Henrico, along with Bobby Scott of Virginia, Andy Harris, and Sarah Elfreth of Maryland, have joined to relaunch the Congressional Chespaeake Bay Watershed Task Force, which is designed to help preserve and protect the Bay watershed, a crucial resource for several mid-Atlantic states. The task force will educate members of Congress on and provide a bipartisan forum for policy discussions and joint action related to water quality, conservation, resource management, and recreation issues that affect the Bay and its watershed. A new legislative effort is seeking to ensure Virginia mothers do not navigate the postpartum period by themselves. A bill that aims to educate the public on perinatal and postpartum depression through a statewide public awareness campaign passed both houses of the General Assembly. It joins others in the Virginia Momnibus Act, a legislative package to tackle maternal health disparities across the state. The bill would authorize the Virginia Department of Health and the Department of Behavioral Health and Developmental Services to create a campaign around the topic. The General Assembly included more than $553,000 from its general fund in the proposed budget it sent to the governor that would help fund the program. You can read more about the proposal right now on our website, henricocitizen.com. In our weekly Henrico Small Business Spotlight this week, C.P. Dean, a longtime staple of the Metro Richmond business scene dating all the way back to the 1800s. The company specializes in selling, installing, and maintaining game room items like darts, ping pong, air hockey, foosball, poker, and other technology-free games with billiards as its centerpiece. You can read much more about the company and its history right now on our website, henricocitizen.com. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by DJ's Auto Details. From gleaming exteriors to pristine interiors, they provide expert care to make your car shine like new. Trust them for quality, convenience, and unbeatable results. You can book today at djsautodetails.com or call them at 804-499-0674.